Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
What it do? What it do? What it do? You know who it is. It's your boy Romy Rome in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth like oh, oh. I say oh, oh, oh. Peace and love, y'all. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Back at it with another video. Before we jump into this video, always, always, always keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving. And keep your vibes high. All right. Title of this video. We got another airport meltdown. So, woman causes chaos at airport after being detained or after being denied boarding. All right, so we always know when it's an airport, it's somebody's drunk because that's just the thing. People get drunk before they get on the plane so they can have a smooth ride or just so they can knock out. And when they wake up, they home or they at their destination vacation. So let's go ahead and jump right in this and see what's going down.
2024. Officers at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport responded to reports of an intoxicated woman creating a disturbance and threatening both staff and passengers.
Did you see her?
Yeah, she just walked up on my point. She walked this way.
Okay, got it. Her back like making the problem here.
What flight is she supposed to get on a flight?
To Alaska, going to Seattle to Hawaii.
From
Seattle.
So she didn't get out on the flight?
No, we couldn't accept her because she was intoxicated.
Gotcha.
Intoxicated.
You know what I mean?
Always
I'm
intoxicated.
so loose, bro. It came from my face. Nisha.
Do your big one. And they out here, you know. Do your big one. I like that. But, ooh, that's
Alicia.
what
Hey, how you doing?
She already knows she in trouble. See how she turned around?
Alicia, we're gonna have to get going. You're gonna have to rebook your flight.
Drink some water real quick. You gotta get dehydrated real quick.
Gotta get dehydrated.
I can come and talk to y'all for a little bit, but y'all don't got nothing to do with me though.
Wow. Super lit.
So what's going on?
Like down here, can you make it where it's not hot? Yeah,
Just sit
let's
down.
over here. Yeah, let's just talk for a little bit. Yeah, let's just talk. Will we talk?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm okay.
So what's going on?
I'm trying to catch my flight to Honolulu, but this wanna act like he don't wanna have me get on the flight. That's what's happening right now.
You from Cleveland?
No, I'm not from here.
Where you from?
Bro, I'm from Michigan.
Okay.
I'm not from here.
Right.
So basically what's happening right now, I got a flight. My flight leave at 6:44. But the dude that's running the flight is not letting me get on the plane. The same one that called y'all. The same one that called y'all is the same one.
Okay. So, do you know, did they tell you why they wouldn't let you on the flight?
Bruh, all I'm trying to do is get back to Honolulu. I get money. I'm not a dumb.
Okay.
Like, every drink, anytime you see me, like, bro, I'm paying for all my drinks.
That's cool.
Everything.
That's cool that you pay for your drinks, but they're not going to let you on intoxicated.
And that's fine. And I'm okay with y'all checking my bags.
No, we're not going to check your bag. You just
No,
going to have
I just want to get to Hawaii.
You're not going to be able to get on this flight. You probably have to catch the next
No,
one.
I'm not going for that.
You're going to have to go
Because
for
you don't
it.
understand how much these flights cost.
You're going to have to rebook. They're not going to let you.
Rebook what?
They're not going to
That
let.
shit costs like $300.
They're not going to. You're not going to have to pay. They're just going to give you another flight. They're not going to let you fly intoxicated. They're not going to let you fly like that.
No one said they're charging you more money. You just got to
You just got to catch the next flight. You're going to have to sober up before they let you on the next one. They're not going to let you fly like that. That's what it is. That's why they wouldn't let you on.
For real?
Yeah.
When is the next flight?
I don't know. We got to go up to the ticket counter to see.
You probably want to do that sooner than later. Let's just go up to the ticket counter and get you taken care of.
Alright. Let's do it now and not later.
Alright, no, let's go. Right down here. Come on.
No, what is that?
This goes to the ticket counter. We gotta go to the ticket. It's the exit to the ticket level. Let's go.
Two choices. Let's go.
You have to
Choose the ticket level. Trust
you need to rebook your flight.
You need to shut the up.
Alright, listen. You're not helping.
No, like I'm not comfortable with y'all. I'm not.
Then walk. All you gotta do is rebook.
I'm not. No. No. Cause look, another police officer just pulled. I'm not. No.
Man,
She's not a police officer.
that alcohol ain't no joke, boy.
I'm not going to.
No, we're going to the
No, I really don't like y'all. I really don't.
Okay, that's fine.
She's just not in her right mind, y'all. You know what I mean? Like,
You dead ass right
she can't
now.
help it.
Come on, you gotta go
Spirits.
to the ticket counter to rebook.
You drink them spirits,
Book for
they
what?
enter your body.
What did I do? I didn't do shit. Y'all not booking for me a goddamn thing because I didn't do nothing.
Let's go.
No, they're not getting my fingerprints. They're not getting my name. Bro, that. Yeah, man.
You can't go back. That's it.
Man, get the out of my face. Y'all booking me for no reason. I didn't do nothing.
You're not.
I didn't do a goddamn thing, so get the out of my
Ain't
face.
nobody taking you to jail.
No, that. No, that. No, this is not okay. What is happening is not okay.
You're gonna be going to jail. Now you can get another ticket or you can go to jail.
No, that.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
You got two choices. You go that way and get another ticket.
You
or we
need
will
to
book
leave
you.
because you are literally trying to do something that you're not even in the jurisdiction to do.
Do you want to rebook and get on another flight?
No,
Or do you want to
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
You got two.
I didn't do a goddamn thing. So you need to move out of my way before I really call my daddy.
You're this close
No,
to
I'm about to call my dad.
That way you're going to go to jail for DCI, disorderly conduct intox.
You can either get another ticket or you can go
Look.
to jail. That's your only choice.
That's all you
Listen
got.
to him.
You get your other ticket up here or you going to jail.
We're being more than lenient.
You go around the corner and go to the ticket counter and get you another ticket.
You need to stop being a Donald
Walk
Trump ass. No, you need to walk that way.
You're going to go to jail. Walk.
You. Dumbass.
Come on, let's go.
Go.
No, you need to tell him to back down. I'm
Just
comfortable
keep
with you walking behind me. I'm not comfortable with him walking behind me.
I'm behind you.
I don't with
The
you.
ticket counter or you're going to
You
go to
need to
jail.
shut
Walk.
the fuck up.
Do you understand you're this close to going to jail for
I'm on the
Walk
phone
out.
with all of my people. Hello?
Your people aren't going to help you right now. You're walking
And
on
then you mess around and play with spirits,
Let's go.
they control your life.
You need to leave me the fuck alone.
I'm right here.
No. You need to
You're
leave me
gonna go to
alone.
jail.
No, you need to leave me alone.
You're intoxicated.
Like, no, that.
being
You're doing
disorderly.
some that you not need. Don't go that way. You're really being that police officer right now. No, a police officer is really f***ing with me right now. A whole police officer is f***ing with me right now.
Watch the tears come in about 5 minutes.
Oh, no, that. No.
Go.
I'm not going nowhere unless your ass get the f*** up out of here. I'm not with you.
Do you want to get another flight out? I'm asking you a question. Do you want to fly? Right?
Can you tell him to go?
Forget about him. Do you want to fly out of
Can
here?
you tell him to go?
Answer the question. Do you want to fly?
Tell him to go.
All right. We gave you more than enough chances here.
Well, then I'm gonna go outside then. I don't even want y'all help. I don't want help. I want to go outside at this point. I don't want y'all help. I want to go. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave.
All right.
No, because I don't trust you. Because you will. No, I don't trust. No.
Relax. Take it easy.
Wow. Please drink responsibly.
Come on.
We have your purse.
We're going. It's coming with you. Take it.
Come on.
Hold onto the handrail and attend to children for your safety.
Take her outside.
Could have been on your way to Hawaii. Now you on your way to jail. Horrible.
Where's your ID, man? Where's your IDs in your pants?
You need to shut the f up.
I'm putting her phone back in her purse.
Cause why am I in handcuffs? Cause I didn't do nothing.
You're under arrest for disorderly
For
conduct,
what?
intoxication.
For what?
Disorderly conduct.
Nigga, f you.
That's all. That's
Fuck
all.
I did. Disorderly conduct is crazy. Man, if you don't see these cuss off of me.
Relax.
Bro, I want to go home. I just want to go home.
We're past that point
Bro,
now.
I want to go home. Leave me alone. I want to go home. Y'all got me f***ed up. Covering me up, doing all this weird ass for what? I didn't do nothing to you. You weirdo. I didn't do nothing to you. Please uncuff me so I can go home. I'm not doing nothing.
Alright. Just calm down.
But you want to make sure I'm okay. Is you going to look out for me tonight?
Yeah, I'm not going to look out for you. Unfortunately,
No.
you're going to end up going to jail tonight.
Thank you. Step over here, please, honey.
Listen to this, officer.
Follow me over here.
Just listen. No, your stuff's not going anywhere.
Come on, honey.
Come on.
Why are you touching on me
Because
like
you're
that?
not moving.
No, you're not a police
That's fine.
officer.
So listen here.
And you really got me up.
Let's search you.
No, you really got me up.
Search you.
That's the only reason why you with me is because I got these cuffs on my ass. Like, you really trying it right now.
Better go, please. Thank you. Please don't move. Go back.
Girl, you keep on.
Stop. You still gonna move regardless.
No, that. I would really tussle your ass in cuffs, though. No, you dirty ass, weird ass.
Sit down.
Huh?
She was charged with menacing and disorderly conduct while intoxicated. Share your thoughts in the comments.
Yo, quick little video, but you see what? Drink responsible. I'm not a drinker. I don't drink. I don't promote drinking. But if you're going to drink, like, come on, y'all. Like, know your limits, especially if you're by yourself. I understand if you're scared to get on the airplane. I understand if you're scared to fly. I understand you want to chill out. You want to relax. You want to sleep. But when it gets to a point like that, it's not you. Okay? You're drinking those evil spirits. When you put them spirits in your body, when you summon up them spirits, they will come. They will take over and it will make you act like a straight up demon. You'll act possessed. You'll act outside of yourself. You can't talk straight. All that. You think you're in the right when you're in the wrong. You think you're strong when you're not. Liquid courage, all that stuff kicks in, man. It never ends well. Luckily for her, it wasn't too busy at the airport, so it wasn't too much embarrassment. But still, enough embarrassment for you to be like, man, I ain't going to, like I said, you're not going to Hawaii now. So you bought tickets to go to Hawaii, and your ticket took you to jail. So you paid a $300 ticket to go to jail. Now you're a little vacation that you took time off, you know what I'm saying, to go and have a good time. You spent your time, your money, you took time off of work, all that stuff to go relax. Right? And now you back home, you done lost your money and you in jail. It's not worth it. Was that really worth it? Was getting lit like that worth it? It's not a thought process when you drinking. It's not a thought process when the alcohol hits you. It's a thought process afterwards. And then you like, damn, what I do? I done messed up my trip. I done missed something. You know, you could have been going to a wedding, anything. You could have missed something important. Or you just ruin your vacation. So all them hours you spend working at work to build up them hours for vacay, you just blew it. Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Roma in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Always, always, always keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. And tap into the lives Tuesday, 6 to 8, Saturday and Sundays, 4 to 6. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be easy.